Hi everybody. So this is going to look a little different today because I've got it picture in picture because I'm going to show you where we're going. And this is the Kashan Resort and Casino that is just outside of Yuma. And so we are going to go here to Algodones Road and take it down to Mexico. You can park here. You can see the RVs down there. It's $10 a night. And if that lot is ever full, you can also park over here. So we are heading out, and I hope that you guys have a great day, and we'll see you. I'm going to talk to you while we're driving just so you can see how to get there. And I'm getting back in the truck. Jana just started it up. And anyway, so I wanted you to see that. I don't know what the exit is off of the highway, but this is Algodones Road. I will put it in the video description when I find it. But we are headed to the dentist. Yesterday, you got to see the White Dental Clinic where I always go. And when we got through with Jana's appointment, there was a couple there, and they said that they've been coming there for 10 years. And so Dr. Garcia, sorry about the shadows there. So Dr. Garcia is, she graduated in 2018, and she is their lead dentist now. The dentist that I used last year, he went down to Mexicali, which is where he's actually from. But you can see here, we go over this bridge. You just go right past the casino, and you go over this bridge, which is the Colorado River Dam. And we are now actually probably leaving California and getting close to Mexico territory. But I'm going to show y'all where we park and everything. So I also want you to know, I'm a little bit flustered because I'm running late today. I'm always running late. Anyway, and thank you, Jana, for your help. There's Jana driving. And again, sorry about the sun glaring, but I hope y'all can see. I'm going to hold this up a little higher. You just go down this road. Yesterday, in Jana's appointment, I'll be honest with you, she had some difficulty with the anesthesia. And that has never happened to her, but last night at dinner, our friend Leslie was telling us how it happened to her at an American dentist. It's not because we were in Mexico, and you know, you're going to hear people telling you they had trouble in Mexico, don't ever go there, and all that. And I'm just here to tell you, this is my 7th winter down here in Southwest Arizona. I go to Mexico all the time. I know tons of people that get their prescriptions and their dental care in Mexico, and there are less horror stories about dentists in Mexico than there are in the USA. And they are equally trained. Most of them, or a lot of them, are trained in the United States anyway. So anyway, so Leslie was sharing her story, and the same thing had happened to her. And but it was a little bit scary. It wasn't an allergic reaction. It just numbed Jana's throat, and she couldn't swallow and felt like it was swelling up, but she was being monitored, and I was right there with her, and she was not swelling up. It just felt like that. So you pull in here. Now this year, this parking lot is called Andrade parking lot, and you can see that, but it says last U-turn, USA 900 feet. If you go past that, you're going into Mexico. So you come here into this parking lot, and they have it well marked with arrows and everything, but it's one way in, and then when you leave, it's one way out on the other side. And you go up here. Oh, Jenna, my money is in my wallet. Oh, you already got it out. She already got. You're just on it, aren't you? She's already got the money out, and you come up here and you pay, and this is only like 5 minutes from the casino. There is an RV park right back there where you can stay. I don't know what they charge. You can also stay over here. I'm going to show you That parking lot over there, I know the sun is shining on it, but that is overnight, and they charge $10 here as well if you want to stay on asphalt versus at the casino. But I will tell you, the casino has a great breakfast buffet. Didn't get up in time to enjoy that this morning, and I'm not sure I wanted a full stomach before going to the dentist. I'm having 3 metal cavities that are decaying replaced and 3 new cavities filled. And so I'm not sure that I wanted that full of a stomach anyway. But you come up here and you pay, and they'll tell you how much. It's $6 for cars, pickups, trucks, ATVs, and motorcycles, and then $8 for RVs, etc. They charge, I think, $10 for buses, but you pay, you can stay for the entire day. Mexico last year was closing at 2 o'clock. The border, the U.S. border was doing that, not Mexico. But you had to be out, one more hump. You had to be out of Mexico by 2 p.m. last year. This year, thank you. This year, you can stay till, I think it's 10. It closes at 10 p.m. Yeah, so what I'm going to show you is we're going to go here into the parking lot. You can see lots of speed bumps, but you can see it straight ahead of us. And we just go and we park. I think I can park and walk and talk. So are you dropping me off?
I can drop you off.
Okay, so she's going to drop me off at, we talked about this ahead of time. She's going to drop me off right at the bridge where it's not a bridge, it's like a walkway. You go down and it's a ramp. That's what I was trying to think of. But you can see here, you can park anywhere. All of this is open space to park. And, sunshine, bright light. Anyway, so we are going to go up here. She's going to drop me off, but you can park anywhere in here. It's easy breezy. Everybody does it. It's not a big deal. It is as simple as this, you guys. You can drive in from anywhere, but if you want to stay in the casino to be closer like we did, the casino parking lot, you go in and you go get your player's card, and then you go to the gift shop and you pay them for however many nights you're staying. 3 nights is $25 versus $10 a night, so you end up saving like $5, and that's what we did because we came for Jana's appointment yesterday and my appointment today. So I'm going to get out and I'm going to grab my purse, and then Jana's going to come meet me, and I'm going to show y'all the ramp. Normally you just park and walk. Thank you, Jana.
See you in a little bit.
All right. So there goes Jana, and she's going to go park, and you can park anywhere out here in this parking lot like everybody has done. Everybody wants to get closer, so they come early. And then you walk right over here to this ramp, and I'm going to show it to you. Sorry about the sun. And then you just go down the ramp, and you come down here, and then you go into Mexico right there. Right through there, right through that area is a revolving gate. And once you cross that, you are in Mexico. And it's that easy. And so Jana is going to come pick me up. And then we are going to go, I'm going to go get my cavities filled. So, and you can see that everybody is very helpful and it's very safe. And I just love coming here. And I hope that if you come, that you have a good time and are as kind and respectful as possible, because they are wonderful people. All right, you guys, y'all have a great day. I'm going to go get my teeth done. Talk to you later. Bye.